Ibahagi natin ang iba't ibang artikulo na naglalabas ngayon ng mga magiging ganap ng grupong SB19 sa mga susunod na buwan. 18 official group, almost 1M na, please engage sa Lollapalooza mga Cups. Ibinahagi ng Lollapalooza ang ilan sa mga magiging parte ng kanilang event sa darating na July kung saan isa nga ang SB19 doon. Pero sa lahat nga po ng mga PAPs na ibinahagi nila ay ang SB19 na po ang halos magwa 1 million na simula nang ito ay i-post ng Lollapalooza sa social media. Siguradong bago dumating ang event ay higit 1 million nga ang magiging views ng nasabing post ng Facebook ng Lollapalooza. Mula naman sa naging update ng 18 Freezer Nase, SB19's contribution to Philippine music is not just about their popularity. It lies in their ability to expand the thematic range of OPM, enrich its lyrical and visual artistry, and connect audiences both locally and globally. They model what it means to balance form and substance, accessibility and depth, commercial success, and cultural authenticity. As Philippine music continues to evolve, SB19 stands as proof that pop can be more than repetition. It can be reflection, poetry, and storytelling. They are not only entertainers but cultural architects, elevating OPM to new artistic and cultural heights. Mula naman sa trending viral PH, An Unforgettable Night, SB19 probes, they're the country's top live act. The massive turnout at SB19's Wakas at Simula concert once again and reaffirmed the group's standing as one of the Philippines' most influential and powerhouse live performers. From the report by Pauline Songko, with synchronized choreography, powerful vocals, and production built for scale, the group transformed the open-air venue into a full-scale celebration of P-pop. Every performance showcased world-class talent, unmatched energy, and pure artistry, raising the bar higher and putting Filipino music in the global spotlight. Tunay na napakarami pong artikulo ang naglalabas ng kanilang mga mensahe or ang kanilang nga pong opinyon hinggil sa grupo. At dahil sa nalalapit nilang pagpe-perform sa Lollapalooza, ay mas marami po ngayon ang nagbibigay ng kanilang komento hinggil sa inaabangan na performance ng SB19 sa Lollapalooza. At yan ang ating Showbiz Now update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.